they fucked up stuff so bad to the point motherfuckers leaving their cars out here again. Motherfuckers leaving their cars out here. Like, for real. You can't even see through your mirror. Hold on, yeah. There's a car right there. 2 cars up there. Ambulance down here. They ain't doing shit though. Damn, they fucked they shit up. Okay. Damn. Oh shit. What you mean hopefully? Shit. It ain't that serious. I'll go back to the crib. Twinkle my toes, watch TV till this shit over. No bullshit, it ain't that goddamn serious.